Good morning students, welcome to day 8. In the last class we discussed about that is bryophytes. In bryophytes we started that is first example liverworts. Liverworts ಒಳಗೆ example ಬಂದಿದ್ದು that is Marchantia. Okay, you know already bryophyte plant body that is haplontic 1. Okay, haplontic ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, diplontic ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿನ್ರಿ ನಾನು. Okay, that is haplontic plant body and it produces gametes, hence it is called gametophyte. Okay, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಎರಡು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ರಿ, liverworts and mosses. In the last class liverworts ನೋಡಿವಿ, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ Marchantia which is a dioecious organism or plant body. Dioecious ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಮೇಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟ್ ತಯಾರಾಗ್ತಾವ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟ್ ತಯಾರಾಗ್ತಾವ. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟೂ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ for the sexual type of reproduction. Okay, and for sexual reproduction what is required here in bryophytes? Water, hence they are called as amphibians of the plant kingdom. Ivella ell belitava, ell grow agtava, adu ella ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿವಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಒಳಗ. So in today's class we are going to discuss the second type of bryophytes, that is mosses. Okay, first ಆಗಿದ್ದು Marchantia, now the second is mosses. Okay, now point wise ನಿಮಗೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್, ಅಥವಾ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದ ಜನರಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ರಯೋಫೈಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಜನರಲ್ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ಸಿನ್ರಿ ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಾಗ. ಸೊ ಆ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಬರೀರಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಾಯಿಸ್ಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾದಾಗ ಬೆಳಿತಾವ, ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್, ಆನ್ ದ ಮಾಯಿಸ್ಟ್ ವುಡ್, ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿವಿ. ಮೋಸೆಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, Bryopsida members are commonly called mosses. Bryopsida members are commonly called what? Mosses. Listen, this point is not in NCERT but ನೆನಪಿಕ್ಕೋರಿ. liverworts ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ದಿವ್ರಿ ನಾವು? Hepaticopsida members are commonly called liverworts. Like their lobes are like their leaf structure, that is leaf in the sense plant body structure is like, that is lobes of the liver, and hence it is called liverwort ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. And Hepaticopsida member ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. Now here Bryopsida members are commonly called mosses. Now coming to the book point given in the book. Okay, now the predominant stage of life cycle of mosses, or in life cycle of mosses, is the gametophytic stage. Gametophytic ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? they produce, that is gamete, and they are haploid. Okay, gametophytic stage in which consists two stages. This is important. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4-5 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ, ಬಟ್ ಸರಿ ನೆನಪಿಕ್ಕೋರಿ. 2 stages, that is first is called protonema. This is 1 mark question. ಏನ್ರಿ? what is protonema or define protonema? Okay, now protonema, what is this? ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬೆಳೀತದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಮಾಸಸ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬೆಳಿತಾವ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ರೀಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ, ಟೋಟಲಿ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್. protonema, it is a green creeping, I tell you the meaning, green creeping branched and frequently filamentous structure developed directly from spores. Confuse ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ. spores in the sense they will be haploid. ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ ಏನು. what is this structure? it is green in color. Creeping means ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ. you know already bryophytes are again not again a tall plant like. algae ಅಂತೂ ಏನಿತ್ರಿ? thalloid ಇತ್ತು. it was flat structure which is occupied or spreaded on the ground surface, moist ground surface. Now this is also attached to the ground only, pressed to the ground ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು. with the help of rhizoids, all these things. So it is green. Creeping, it means like snake like, or any thread is spreaded over the ground, atara. Okay, creeping. And branched, akade ikade. For example, this is the ground now, and this is suppose a spore developed from spore. Idralinda ee tara bartadri, green creeping branched, and again it divides like this, branches. Okay, like this. And this is frequently filamentous, means filaments are going to produce on it vertically towards, that is upward surface, from away from the ground, like that. So branched frequently filamentous structure developed directly from what? Spore. Now spore illin bartava ameng nodona now. Okay, now what is protonema? It is a green creeping branched and frequently filamentous. Frequently andre enri, short distance mega branches belitava, filamentous belitava, frequently in the sense in short time or in short distance. And the second stage is leafy stage. Leafy stage. Now what is leafy stage? Listen, this protonema gives rise to, I will write here, protonema gives rise to secondary protonema. Secondary protonema. Now what is secondary protonema? Remember, in spore linda ಬೆಳೆದಿತ್ರಿ gripping structure, that is primary protonema ಅಂತ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಆರ್ protonema ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನು ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಬರ್ತದ, that is secondary protonema. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬೆಳೀತದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. Protonema gives rise to a secondary protonema. Secondary protonema from which a lateral bud develops. ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರಿ, ಈ ಕ್ರಿಪ್ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಫ್ರಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಬಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಸ್ and the bud develop into upright, these terms are important, upright, erect, and again slender axis bearing spirally arranged leaves. Remember, leaves ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ರೀ, ಎದ್ರೊಳಗ ಮಾಸಿಸ್ ಒಳಗ. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅಲ್ಗೆ ಒಳಗ ಲೀಫ್, ರೂಟು ಈ ಥರ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆನ್ಶಿಯಾ ಒಳಗ ಈ ಥರ ನಾವು ನೋಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಲೆಂಡರ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಬಿಯರಿಂಗ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಪೈರಲಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಡ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್. ಎದ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ರಿ? ಪ್ರೋಟೋನಿಮಾ ಈ ಥರ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಇದ್ದಿರ್ತದೆ, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈ ಪ್ರೋಟೋನಿಮಾಲಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರೋಟೋನಿಮಾ ಬೆಳೀತದೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್. ಇದರ್ಲಿಂದ ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಪ್ರೋಟೋನಿಮಾ, this is one, and gives rise to secondary protonema. The secondary protonema when develops, it gives rise to a bud like structure, and this bud later develops upward and it is a slender axis bearing what? Spirally arranged leaves. ee kade ee tara spirally sutta mutta ಏನು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ, leaves arrange ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವ, and that stage we call it as leafy stage. What is first stage? Protonema. And that is the sentence here. The predominant stage of life of mosses under e plant do is gametophytic, means haploid stage, in which what it consists? Two stages, which consist of two stages like protonema, leafy stage. Protonema 1 mark question. Okay, it is again 1 mark question. Sare nenpidri. After this, now leafy stage. Protonema lindane ಏನು ಬೆಳೀತದ್ರಿ? leafy stage ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೆಂಗ? protonema gives rise to secondary protonema. ಆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ರಿ ಪ್ರೋಟೋನಿಮಾನಾಗ ಏನು ಬೆಳೀತದ? ಒಂದು ಬಡ್ ಬರ್ತದ, ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಬಡ್, ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಬೆಳೆದಿದ್ದು, ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಬಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಬಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್? ಅಪ್ರೈಟ್, ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಟ್ ಅಪ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಅಪ್ರೈಟ್, ಇರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಓಕೆ, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ, ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ನಾವು ಸ್ಲೆಂಡರ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಬಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೈರಲಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಡ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲೀಫಿ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್ I will write here one point. The plant body or the gametophyte. The plant body consists both gametes on same plant under single plant mega on same plant but on different branches. Some twist is here, right? But on different branches. For example, one branch melgade male gamete idre innond branch melgade female gamete irtade, but plant body basically it is one only, okay? And wherever the leafy stage is developed, it is attached to the substratum with the help of what? Rhizoids. I will write here attached to substratum. Substratum andre enri? Moist ground surface. Substratum with rhizoids. E structure rhizoids, which I told you in the last class, root like structure. Now the plant body consists of both gametes on same plant but on different branches, okay? One plant daga male female eradu gamete adavri, means which type of plant it is now? Monoecious. Markensia hengitri liver what olaga? It was dioecious, because one plant melgade male gamete ittu, innond plant melgade female gamete ittu, okay? Now coming to its reproduction. Reproduction is again of, that is three type, you know, vegetative type, asexual and sexual type, okay? Sexual reproduction andre enri compulsory? There must be fusion of male and female gamete and zygote formation agtada. Zygote is diploid in nature, that is 2n. Reproduction in what? Mosses. Interesting it is and very important. First, how reproduction re? Vegetative reproduction. It is by fragmentation. Nenpidri algae olagnu ide tara ittu. Fragmentation. Vegetative reproduction by fragmentation and budding in bud edrolaga hontitri? Secondary protonema. Budding in secondary protonema. This is important. Normal reproduction olaga yeast olaga budding agtada, hydra olaga budding agtada, but again illu nenpidri, again budding ago innond structure yavudri plant olaga? Secondary protonema. Idu edrili develop agada? Primary protonema. Again protonema developed from primary athwa normal protonema anta heltivi, adaga confuse madkobedri. Protonema again developed from the spore directly. Spore ellin bantu adu nodon now. Idu aita, that is again coming to sexual reproduction. Idu antu asexual aitri, okay? Now after this vegetative and asexual and sexual nodona. Sexual reproduction. Here sexual reproduction hang agtade nodri? The male sex organ is called what? Male sex organ en anta heltivri? Antheridium. I will show again. Antheridium. Whereas and female sex organ is called archegonium. These words are important. Archegonium. Now this produces what? Motile gametes. Anthrozoids anta helbodu athwa illi sperm ant word add madibidri, which is again gametes are again haploid always, and this produces what? Egg. This is also haploid. Now remember, I told you the plant body consists of both the sex organs on same plant but on different branches. One branch may again irtudri Antheridium irtuda, it produces what? It is male sex organ, it produces male gamete. They are motile. Nenpidri. Motile means they can swim with the help of water. Il compulsory water bakery, okay? And then this is fixed, non-motile. So ಈ sperm motile sperm with the help of water ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದ archegonium ಒಳಗ, and hence this n fuses and forms what 2n, that is we call zygote. ನೋಡೋಣ. Okay, now after this the this sperm, male gamete, okay, reaches to archegonium with the help of what? Who is the medium here? Water medium hai or air is there? What is that? Or any animal? No, here it is only is water, hence they are called amphibians. So the male gametes reaches to archegonium with the help of water and forms what? And forms zygote. ಯಾವ ಥರ ರೀ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ ನಾನು, n fuses and form zygote. This now this zygote, you know, important point, that is zygote will not undergo meiosis immediately ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿನ್ರಿ. ಈವನ್ ಇನ್ ಲಿವರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ದಾಗೂ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಿಯೋಸಿಸ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅದು ಮಿಯೋಸಿಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹೆಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಹೆಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, zygote ಇಮ್ಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಮಿಯೋಸಿಸ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಗೋಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈಟೋಸಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್, I will write first here, will not, it is general character again, ಇಲ್ಲಿ separate and ಬರೋದು necessary ಇಲ್ಲ, will not undergo meiosis and forms a multicellular structure called what? Sporophyte. ಸ್ಪೋರೋಫೈಟ್. ಈ ಸ್ಪೋರೋಫೈಟ್ ಯಾವ ಬಾಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇದೆ ರೀ? ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ. ಇದು ಅಂತೂ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂತು, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ zygote ತಯಾರಾಯಿತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನು ಬೆಳೀತು? ಸ್ಪೋರೋಫೈಟ್. ನಾವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಪೋರೋಫೈಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಸೈಟಿಕ್, ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಅಪಾನ್ gametophyte. Remember, sporophytic structure in mosses is somewhat elaborated or some like again well developed than in liverworts. Sporophyte structure in mosses is somewhat well developed or elaborated in mosses than in what? Liverworts. Okay, now this gametophyte melgade, which gametophyte it is? Female gametophyte. Okay, so female gametophyte melgade ಏನು ತಯಾರಾಗಿದೆ? Sporophyte. Now sporophyte elaborated, this is an important structure for you again theory exam. Sporophyte structure elaborated like it have foot, setae, capsule. Foot, setae and capsule. Now what is that structure? We will discuss here. For example, the book diagram given is Funaria. It is, what is this? This is the leafy stage. Okay, ether. Now it is attached to a substratum with the rhizoids. Now this is what? Female, and this is archegonium. Illi ಏನು ಬಂತ್ರಿ? Antheridium ಬಂತು, that is sperm ಬಂತು, zygote form. Now this zygote develops like this. Now what is this? This is foot, this is setae, stalk-like structure, and this is what? Capsule. Same diagram given in CRT. Diagram ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ concentrate ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Now this whole structure is called this sporophyte. And ಇದು ಮೊದಲು ಏನಿತ್ರಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ? This is gametophyte. Of course, gametophyte is what? Haploid. But sporophyte is formed by zygote, means diploid. Now ಇಲ್ಲಿ zygote ಏನಾಗಿಲ್ರಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ zygote ತಯಾರಾಗಿದ್ದು, okay, by the fusion of gamete, zygote is formed. This zygote will not undergo meiosis immediately, but mitosis ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? Equational division ಆಗಿ sporophyte multicellular structure ತಯಾರಾಗ್ತದ, which is again a green structure. But ಇದು ಎದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಅದ ರೀ? even physically for support also it is depend on gametophyte, and nourishment salva kuda depend ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿನಿ. But in mosses it is again photosynthetic, partially dependent ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಹುದು. Partially dependent sporophyte in mosses. liverwort ಒಳಗೆ ಆ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, now sporophyte. Now this capsule consists of what? Diploid cells compulsory. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ diploid ಅದಾವ್ರಿ. Okay, this part, this is completely diploid part. Okay, ಇದು haploid part. Now these, okay, I will write here the point. capsule. Now capsule have SMCs, they are diploid. What is SMC? Again ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸ್ಪೋರ್ ಮದರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, few SMCs undergo meiosis and form haploid spores. Remember meiosis ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? ರಿಡಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್. ಡಿಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಹೆಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಓಕೆ, 2n ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು n ಆಗ್ತದ. ಬಟ್ ಮೈಟೋಸಿಸ್ ಆ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲ. 2n ಇದ್ರೆ 2n ಇರುತ್ತೆ, n ಇದ್ರೆ n ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹೆಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಸ್. ನೌ ದೀಸ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಲಿಬರೇಟ್ or released into the air, I will write here, these spores release into air and when fall on ground surface develop into what? Spore linda ಏನು ಬೆಳೆದಿತ್ರಿ? ಪ್ರೋಟೋನಿಮಾ. Develop into new gametophyte, that is protonema. Nothing but what? Protonema daga first stage is of gametophyte, protonema and leafy stage. Develop into directly you can tell that new gametophyte. But a gametophyte start ಆಗೋದು ಎದರ್ಲಿಂದ್ರಿ? ಪ್ರೋಟೋನಿಮಾ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಲಿಂದ. ಈ ಪ್ರೋಟೋನಿಮಾ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಪ್ರೋಟೋನಿಮಾ ಬಂದು ಲೀಫಿ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದ. ಅಗೇನ್ ದಟ್ ಲೀಫಿ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಂಥ್ರಿಡಿಯಾ, ಆರ್ಕಿಗೋನಿಯಾ. ಅಗೇನ್ ದೇ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದೇ ತರ ಸೈಕಲ್ ತಯಾರಾಗ್ತದ. ನೌ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್, ನೌ ಒನ್ ಲೈನ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ NCERT is the dehiscence or the release of the spores from the capsule. The process or the mechanism of the release of spores from the capsule in mosses is elaborated ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. Elaborated ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? I will write it in detail again. Okay, elaborated I will write. Capsule dries. When it dries, okay, what happens? 3 words ಬರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Calyptra detaches. Now what is calyptra? Calyptra ಡಿಟ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಡ್ದು ಬೀಳೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಐ ರಬ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟೋಫೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ನಾವು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸೂಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸೂಲ್ ಜಾಗದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ ದ ಟಿಪ್ there is a structure, cap like structure called calyptra. Actually this is not in NCERT, but entrance ಒಳಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ರಿ. The mechanism of release of spores in mosses is elaborated. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಲೈನ್ ಬರ್ದಿಟ್ಟಾರ್ರಿ. ಬಟ್ elaborated ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈನ್ ದಿ ತರ ಐತಿ. ಆ ಲೈನ್ ದಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಐತಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. This calyptra when undergoing meiosis it produces spores, haploid spores. ಈ spores ಈಗ ಗಾಳಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ರಿ. ಅದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ? When it dries this calyptra detaches, ಕಡ್ದು ಬೀಳ್ತದ. Okay, and after detachment what happens here? Leaving behind, okay, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. those structure all called, that is teeth. Leaving behind a cycle of teeth, and those teeth are called peristome teeth. This is important term for entrance, not for theory. Peristome, P-E-R-I-S-T-O-M-E, peristome teeth. Peristome teeth are found in what? Capsule of mosses. ಯಾವಾಗ್ರಿ ಅದು? when the calyptra detaches. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಯಾವ್ದೈತಿ? ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ calyptra detaches and after detaching, ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರ್ತದ್ರಿ? leaving behind what? This cycle of teeth. Cycle ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? For example, this is the capsule and this is calyptra. Calyptra falls and after falling what? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ? A cycle of teeth is there. Cycle of teeth like structure. Okay, teeth-like structure is there, and that cycle of teeth-like structure we call peristome teeth. Okay, now this peristome teeth again fall off, causing release of these spores, causing release of these spores. ಈ ಪೆರಿಸ್ಟೋಮ್ ಟಿತ್ ಕೂಡ ಹೋಗ್ತದ್ರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ಕ್ಯಾಲಿಪ್ಟ್ರಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲಿಪ್ಟ್ರಾ ಹೋದ ನಂತರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ಸೈಕಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿತ್, ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ peristome teeth, and this peristome teeth also fall off, and due to which these spores release into air. I will write here the sentence. I will write. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಆ ಕಡೆ ನಾ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ದೀನಿ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸುಲ್ ಡ್ರೈಸ್, ಕ್ಯಾಲಿಪ್ಟ್ರಾ ಡಿಟ್ಯಾಚಸ್, leaving behind a cycle of teeth, leaving behind a cycle of teeth called yaudri adu? Peristome teeth. Peristome teeth. Now this or these peristome teeth fall off, I will write in short, that is short, causing release of spores. Now these spores are what? Product of meiosis. Andre ಏನು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು? haploid and diploid. They are haploid. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬೆಳೆದಾರೆ ಅವರು? That is spore mother cells linda, SMCs I told you, okay, which are present in the capsule. Now these spores are haploid. Now when these spores fall on the ground surface, they develop into protonema, secondary protonema, leafy stage. Like that the life cycle completes. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? Gametophyte is haplontic, sporophyte is diplontic. Very important sentence again from the entrance point of view. Gametophyte is haplontic, sporophyte is diplontic. It means life cycle in mosses is haplodiplontic. Okay, I wrote the word here, haplodiplontic. Life cycle in mosses is, or in bryophyte is haplodiplontic, because haploid means haplo, diplontic means diploid. Il haploid yaru irtarri? Gametophyte, that is N. Diplontic yaru? Sporophyte, which is depend upon gametophyte for short time, because ಇಲ್ಲಿ zygote ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ರೀ? It is not undergoing meiosis immediately, it is developing into what? Sporophyte for a short time, but diploid ಅಂತೂ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಅದು, ಹಂಗಾಗಿ it is haplodiplontic. So life cycle in bryophytes is, ಅದು liverwort ಇರಬಹುದು, mosses ಇರಬಹುದು, it is haplodiplontic type. Okay, after that and heteromorphic ಅಂತನೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ. Heteromorphic ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? Morphic means appearance. Okay, hetero means different. So gametophyte is different in appearance, sporophyte is different in appearance, because sporophyte ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೇನದರಿ? Foot, setae, capsule. But gametophyte ದಾಗ ಏನೈತಿ? Leafy like stage is there, again rhizoids are there, and stem like branch is there, ಆ ತರ. So structure ಕೂಡ different ಐತಿ, ploidy ಕೂಡ different ಐತಿ. Structure different, ploidy means N and 2N. So heteromorphic as well as haplodiplontic life cycle in what? Bryophytes. Heteromorphic and haplodiplontic life cycle in bryophytes. ಅದು ಹೆಂಗ ನೋಡೋಣ. Examples in mosses, I will write here. Example of mosses. Liverwort ಒಳಗೆ example ಏನು ಬಂದಿವ್ರಿ? Markensia and Riccia. Like the same example of mosses is Funaria, Polytrichum, Sphagnum. These are words given in NCERT. ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನೆನಪಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ 2-3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋರಿ, ವಿತ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ನೆನಪಿರ್ತವ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫ್ಯೂನೇರಿಯಾ, ಪಾಲಿಟ್ರೈಕಮ್, ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಗ್ನಮ್. ನಾವು ಒಂದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡೋ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಲೈಫ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೈತಿ, ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ನಾವು ಫ್ಯೂನೇರಿಯಾ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಬಾಡಿ, ಇದ್ರ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ್ರಿ, ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ಯೂನೇರಿಯಾ. ಫ್ಯೂನೇರಿಯಾದ ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಆಂಥ್ರಿಡಿಯಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಕಿಗೋನಿಯಾ ಸೆಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಅದಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿನಿ. Okay, that is monoecious plant. one branch mega female gamete, one ಇನ್ನೊಂದು branch mega male gamete. That is male gamete called antheridium. Leafy stage ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ, ನಾವೇನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮೊದಲು. Antheridium, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು branch mega archegonium. Archegonium produces what? Egg, which is gamete is haploid, and this produces what? Sperm. Motile or non-motile? Motile. When water is available, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರ್ರಿ? Male gamete reaches towards female with the help of what? Water. Hence we call amphibians. Again I am repeating. Okay. Now when the water is available, this goes to this one and form fertilization aad nantara forms what? Zygote. Now this zygote form on what? Which gametophyte? Male or female? Female gametophyte. Zygote will not undergo meiosis. I told you. Immediately hogangilla. Ameg hogtudri. Sentence is zygote will not undergo meiosis immediately, and it means it goes after some time. It undergoes meiosis after some time. So this zygote undergo meiosis later, but first it forms what? Sporophyte. Sporophyte. 2n iddide illu 2n irtadri. I wrote here. This is 2n. Okay. Now sporophyte have three structures. Yavyavari? Foot, setae, capsule. Nenpidri. Now sporophyte olaga which cells undergo meiosis? SMC. Yav cells re? SMC. Spore mother cells, they undergo meiosis, due to which what is formed? Spores. Now spores yelli en release agtavri? In the air. Okay, in the air calyptra detaches, peristome teeth fall off, and then they release like that. Spores again develop into what? Protonema. Now what is protonema? It is a green creeping branched frequently filamentous structure directly developed from spores. Again protonema gives rise to secondary protonema. Secondary protonema linda ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ? Bud linda leafy stage, nothing but funaria. So this is the life cycle in funaria. Life cycle in funaria. ಇಲ್ಲಿ haploid ಎಲ್ಲ ಐತಿ, diploid ಎಲ್ಲ ಐತಿ? Remember diploid ಇಲ್ಲಿ start ಆಯ್ತು 2n SMCs ಕೂಡ 2n. Now n started here. It means this is 2n part, diplontic, and this is n part, means which type of life cycle in bryophytes? Haplodiplontic. Are you getting? Zygote aad nantara diploid, sporophyte tankanu diploid. It means this part in the cycle is diplontic, this part in the major part is predominant part. First sentence what that? The predominant stage in the mosses or in the bryophytes is what? Gametophytic, which has two stages, protonema and leafy stage. Predominant means maximum time irohantadu life olaga yaudu? Gametophytic, haploid. But during reproduction ashte irodu yaudri? Diploid, and hence it is called haplodiplontic. Same type. I write here, that is wrote here again, life cycle of funaria. Haplodiplontic, heteromorphic yakri, gametophyte structure beredu, sporophyte structure bere ತರ ಐತಿ. Okay, this is what about total mosses. One particular example ಕೊಟ್ಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೈತಿ funaria. Example of mosses is funaria, polytrichum, sphagnum. Okay, after this in short, liver wort ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರಿ? Markensia. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. Markensia is dioecious or monoecious. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಂತೂ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಕಿತ್ತು? ಮೇಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ Markensia, male plant body is different, female plant body is different, that is dioecious. And what happens? Female plant body archegoniophore, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಇರೋದು archegonium, and male plant body anthridiophore, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಇರೋದು anthridium. ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿವ್ರಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಪ್ರೆಸ್ಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಡಾರ್ಸಿವೆಂಟ್ರಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ವೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ರೈಸರ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಗೆಮ್ಮಾ ಕಪ್, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ನೋಡಿವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಗೆಮ್ಮಾ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇನ್ ಏಸೆಕ್ಷುವಲ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ತದ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು anthridium sperm, archegonium egg. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಟೈಲ್ ಯಾರು? sperm. ಸೇಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿನ ತರನೇ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ? sperm fuses with egg. That process we call fusion of male and female gamete is called what? Fertilization. Fusion of male and female gamete is called fertilization. With the help of what? Here it is water, and hence they are called amphibians. Now after that what happens? Zygote will not undergo meiosis immediately in bryophytes. It means it produces what? Sporophyte, which is again depend upon gametophyte. Okay, and then sporophyte ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ? spore mother cells, and they undergo meiosis. They produce what? Spores. From the spores again what develops? Markensia. So this is again life cycle in liver buds. Last class idu udiddu liver buds. Okay, idu kuda haplodiplomatic. It is written here already. Life cycle in Markensia. Riccia kuda barodu edrolaga example ರೀ Riccia, RICCA, Riccia comes in again liver buds. Okay, now haplodiplomatic ಯಾವ ತರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು? ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, meiosis ಆಗೋವರೆಗೂ like that. Okay, now this is diploid part and this is haploid part. Haplodiplomatic life cycle. Okay, liver bud ಒಳಗ ಗೆಮ್ಮ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರ್ತದ. ಅದೇ ಮಾಸೆಸ್ ಒಳಗ ಪ್ರೋಟೋನಿಮಾ ಅಂತ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಅಗೇನ್ read carefully. Okay, watch the videos. If you are not getting in the first time, repeat it please and watch the video. This is the beauty of the online classes, that you can repeat the video and you can have the information again easily. So remember, algae ಆಗಿದ ನಂತರ ಬ್ರಯೋಫೈಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. algae ಒಳಗ ಲೀಫ್ ರೂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ತರ ಯಾವುದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬ್ರಯೋಫೈಟ್ ಒಳಗ ಇವಾಗ ಲೀಫಿ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ವರ್ಡ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. and the next structure is what? Pteridophyte. Okay, pteridophyte, and the pteridophyte we will study in the next class. And now remember one point, these are the intermediate link between what? Algae and pteridophyte. Pteridophyte complete land plant adavri, algae complete water plant adava, but bryophyte ಏನು ಅದಾವ್ರಿ? ಇವ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯದಾಗ ಅದಾವ. that is they are the intermediate link between land plants pteridophyte and water plant algae. ಯಾರು? Bryophyte. So please note down every point carefully and read well. Okay, and in the next class we will study pteridophytes, that is the third division of plant kingdom. Till then read well. Thank you.